Today, we're traveling from Munich to the famous Neuschwanstein Castle. From Munich Central Station to Füssen.
It's about 2 hours travel, kaya kumain muna kami sa train.
It's a bit rainy when we arrived. Pero okay lang. May excuse na naman para kumain.
Sasakay naman kami ngayon ng kalesa paakyat ng castle. May option din na maglakad. Usually, yung mga locals, they prefer to walk. Kasi mostly dito ay health conscious and nature lover.
Regardless of the weather, maulan, maaraw, mahangin, or may snow, they will take the chance makapag-exercise kahit walking lang.
"20 minutes ang kalesa ride, while 30 to 40 minutes naman kapag naglakad.
It costs around 8 to 10 euros paakyat at 4 to 5 euros naman pababa. Ipakita mo lang ang senior ID or PWD, ay sure na same pa din ang babayaran mo. The peak season here ay July and August, which is summer. Tapos November to April ay nagsisimula naman ang malamig na weather, or pa-winter, kaya mas less ang tourists. From here, another 10 to 15 minutes walk going sa entrance ng castle. Pero dahil may picture-picture pa, siguro umabot kami ng 30 minuto.
Ito pala. Nilipat.
The Neuschwanstein Castle is located sa Bavaria, Germany at parang galing sa fairy tale. Ipinagawa ito ni Haring Ludwig II noong 1800s, na kilala bilang fairy tale king. Ito ang naging inspirasyon ng Disney Castle na makikita sa mga pelikula. Napapaligiran ito ng bundok, gubat at lawa. Perfect pang Instagram. Hindi ito natapos bago pumanaw ang hari. It is considered one of the famous destination for both locals and tourists. From here, 15 to 20 minutes walk going sa bridge, kung saan makikita ang napakagandang view ng castle. Meron silang saying dito na, Es gibt kein schlechtes Wetter, nur schlechte Kleidung. Which translate to, there's no bad weather, only bad clothing. Meaning, dapat prepared ka sa weather and don't complain kung mali ang getup mo for that day.
Dito, mostly ng travel o pasyal ay madaming lakad, akyat, at minsan may konting takbo. Pero masasabi ko naman na worth it mapagod once narating na ang destination. Masasabi mo talaga sa sarili mo na, ay, di na talaga ako uulit.
Last, narating na natin ang Marienbrück o Maria Bridge. It provides majestic view of the castle and its surroundings.
Prepare yourself kung may fear of heights ka tulad ko. During winter, hindi accessible ang bridge na ito for safety purposes.
At the last minute, biglang umaraw, kaya lalo maganda magpicture.
Thank you sa pagsama sa amin sa pamamasyal.
Sana nag-enjoy din kayo. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!